out here. Gotta go pretty far today. So I was just in the parking lot with the store, and I literally talked to this guy for half an hour about my bike. I mean, I like to talk about the bike, but there's a storm coming in like an hour, and I still need to go like a billion places. So I'm not really thrilled about that. So what's going on with the bike? Nothing much. I didn't fix the wheel. The wheel was a little bit shaky, so I kind of worked on that a little bit. Good. I think there's something wrong with the generator too. It feels like it's wobbling in and out or something like that. It's not really producing the power. Let's see if it's actually charging. Yeah, it's just like jumping around. I'm not sure if the charger is wrong or something like that. It's like, you hear that like vibration? So what could be wrong with it? Either like, I might need to clean out the carb or run like a carb cleaner in it or something like that. Yeah, because something doesn't sound right with the generator. And I'm pretty sure it's not the charger itself. Wow, it's super windy. There's definitely going to be a storm soon. Anyway, I need to figure out what's going on with the generator. That's definitely not correct. The way it's surging a little bit right there. Anyway, the other thing I've been working on is I've been trying to figure out how to go a little bit faster. So right now my top speed is probably like 45 miles per hour, which is pretty damn fast. Because I'm back on the 44.2 chainring. And I got the derailleur pretty much as good as it can get with the bent arm. So it's shifting pretty nice, so I can use all the gears, pretty much all the gears. So I don't want to use the lowest cog because sometimes it skips. I feel it skips on the lowest gear, on the lowest cog, on the smallest cog. And that's scary to have your cog skip when you're going 45 miles per hour. Okay? So that's probably not the smartest thing to do to have. But I do want to get like a 60 mile per hour top speed. Okay, maybe I'll go home. I don't know, it's really, really windy. When it's really, really windy like that, it means that it's gonna rain pretty hard. But it's been like that since this morning. So there's also bike slips here too. Yeah, I'm gonna run a carb cleaner from this bike and see what the hell's going on. It feels like it's like charging and then not charging, charging and not charging. So it could be, yeah, it could be a number of things. Yeah, it could be a number of things. But anyway, the 60 mile per hour bike, I think originally I said that I wanted to start off with a new bike and just make it all electric, but this bike is pretty good. Obviously not the fact that there's no shocks or anything like that, but other than that, like, it's pretty good. I like the fact that I have the onboard charger or onboard generator just in case shit hits the fan and I run out of batteries. Or now, and I do like that aspect. Wow, it's so windy. I'm never sure you can hear me. So the idea, one of the ideas is might just be upgrading this bike, getting a 5 kilowatt or upgrading the Cyclone or getting a 5 kilowatt hub, and then getting some upgraded components such as shocks, front fork, yeah, it's really weird. What the hell is going on? See, now it's not even charging. Now it's charging. Now it's not charging. What the hell is going on? Yeah, I don't know what's going on. I need to figure it. Maybe I'll just turn it off. I do think I have enough charge to make it to all my destinations. I might actually just upgrade this bike, considering that the generator just die on me right now. But I mean, I don't know. Yeah, this is not right. I need to figure out what's going on. I think I before. Obviously, this is just a whole fancy. I mean, getting the batteries necessary for 5 kilowatts, the lithium titanium battery that I want to do. That's 30 of those batteries at $50 each, without shipping or taxes, is $1,500. And I measured out the size, and it should actually just be the same size as what I have now. So I have to shift the gas tank probably back about to the rear rack, and then it will just be a little bit wider, but not too wide where it's like ridiculous, and just a little bit taller. So I think I'm comfortable with that to get the lithium titanium, but again, that's $1,500. But I mean, if you think about it in comparison to like lithium ion or lithium phosphate, right? It's about the same price. No, it's just $500 more, probably about $500 more. For 72, yeah, not even 70, maybe not even that much, maybe even, yeah, it's actually really comparable at that high of a, capacity. Alright, let's go a little bit. Once we get past these bumpy roads here, let's go a little bit faster. Because I do want to get to all these places before I get rained on. Or before I have to turn back into the rain. And it's super fucking windy, dude. Holy shit. Charger might not even be working correctly. So this is into heavy rain, into heavy wind. We're going around 28, 29. Anyway, yeah, so that's kind of the thought at the moment. And obviously, I don't have the budget to do that now, but I'm hoping I have the budget soon to do something like that. So what do you guys think of that? Number one, this generator there's something wrong with the generator. I'm hoping it's just a maintenance issue that I need to work on, and not something more serious with the generator itself. Racing the rain, racing the rain. If the generator craps out or I can't fix the generator, then yeah, I guess that's probably the end of the generator. The end of the hybrid system, and I'll just go full electric with a new bike. Yeah, so then it comes the decision is, I asked Cyclone what they thought about my bike, because this is a small bottom bracket. A lot of the high power mid drives that are out there. What's this? A lot of the high power. Oh, see, that guy waved at me. One guy waving at me. I used to ride motorcycles, and that's what you kind of do. It's a motorcycle brotherhood. But anyway, back to my point. Yeah, so I talked to Cyclone, and my options are limited. They said what I could do to get 40 to 45 mile per hour cruise, which is my top speed at the moment, and 60 miles per hour top speed. I need to upgrade my gears, my planetary gears in the gearbox here to steel ones, and then get an 80 amp plus controller, and obviously the batteries needed to, hit 4 or 5 kilowatts. Okay, that's kind of fine, but the problem with that is that this baby heats up. I went on a fast ride the other day, and this motor got hot. It was warm. It was definitely warm to hot after that fast ride. It was like 72 degrees that day, a little bit muggy. It's a little bit cooler today, but yeah, it got pretty hot. So that's what I'm debating at the moment. And right now, the other thing I could do too is, I'm a pretty light rider. If I upgrade the batteries here, I'm actually thinking I can already hit 40 miles per hour cruise with the right batteries. But yeah, I'm not certain about these things. Okay, and oh great, and my freaking derailleur just jammed too. Alright guys, so I guess that's the video while I unjammed this derailleur. God damn it. And there's glass all over the road here too. Yeah, so the components are not the greatest. It's not even charging. What the hell's going on? Oh, okay, now it's charging a little. It's just charging a really little bit. Is it not plugged in all the way? So let me try the other chargers. Okay, that one's working. So maybe my charger is messed up. Yeah, that might be it too. But anyway, well, that's it for now. I need to fix this derailleur and then get going again. So that's the update. So the update is I'm not sure how I want to. So it looks like, okay, so that's good. It looks like the generator's not messed up. One of the chargers was messed up. I might go with a constant current power supply mix instead of a charger. So that'll be an upcoming episode. But for now, alright, thanks for watching, guys. Just debating how I want to upgrade. Obviously, if I start a new bike, that would be super expensive. If I continue to using this bike and try to upgrade the parts to get that speed, it might be a little bit less expensive. Alright, talk to you guys later.